Okay, Algebra 2 reviewing for the first semester final. We are going to be solving radical equations. So to solve radical equations, we must get the radical alone. So in this case, we're going to subtract 5 from both sides, leaving us with the square root of 4y minus 5 is equal to 7. To get rid of a square root, we can then square both sides. Now we have 4y minus 5 is equal to 49. Now it's just a very easy solving for y. So we can add 5 to both sides. So 4y is equal to 54. Divide by 4. So y is equal to 13 and all right, so there we solved it. It is probably also a really good idea for you to check this. So you just check it by plugging it back in. So you just take 4 times 13 and a half minus 5 from it. Take the square root of that, and then add 5 and make sure that it does equal 12. And it does. So you just want to double check. All right, second problem. Radical alone. Remember, rational exponents are radicals. So we need to get this 6n minus 5 to the 1/3 alone. So we're going to subtract 3 from both sides. So we have 6n minus 5 to the 1/3 is equal to negative 5. Now this is to a cubed root or to the 1/3, so it's perfectly acceptable to get negative answers. To get rid of this 1/3 power, we just have to raise it to the third. So we're going to do that to both sides of the equation. So then we're left with 6n minus 5 is equal to negative 125. Solve it for n, so add 5 to both sides. So 6n is equal to negative 120. Divide by 6, so n is equal to negative 20. And then you do want to check that. So check it by plugging it back in. So if you take 6 times negative 20 and minus 5, raise that value to the 1/3 power, add 3 to it, you should get negative 5, and you do. So that is solving radical equations.